Yeah. That looks
Today
funny
on
and
the after
creepy.
show.
Hello. This is the after show.
What are you doing? Oh.
Yeah. So.
Welcome, guys. This was an amazing build. We had so many firsts on this. The first time using poly.
Yep.
The first time
I like
using...
that that's the first thing that you should.
Of all the things.
all of the things.
That's the.
I tried to going from the top down, the inside,
First time
outside,
doing
in.
woodworking in Asheville?
Yeah?
Yeah. First time using a slab.
Yep.
Well, first time using a plunge router.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
First
Yeah.
time using a drum
sander.
sander.
First time
trap
using
saw,
Festool everything, and
Yeah.
we are in
Festool
love.
everything.
Track saw.
Proper dust collection.
Yeah. Well, the main thing is we always forget to turn dust collection on.
Yeah.
And Johnny has a really cool system. Do you cover it in the video?
Yeah, I have a video on my dust collection system.
Nice.
So it's totally automated. You turn on tool and it turns on, opens the blast gates. So that way you don't have that moment where it's like, you turn it on this time. You
Which
know, or
always
you just
happens
forget.
once you're
Well, like,
mid-cut.
once
You're
you're
like,
going,
Yeah,
you
like,
don't want to stop.
What's a little dust?
Yeah.
You know? So,
Yeah.
yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Now-
Also, heated garage, which
Oh, yeah.
is like, hence
Pretty
the
sweet.
t-shirts. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really cold outside, and
Yeah.
we would be in multiple jackets if not for the heat.
Yes.
Like it is-
53
it would-
whole degrees.
It would literally be freezing. Literally
freezing.
I've been saying that a lot.
Yeah.
Well, one thing that I'm not sure if it's going to make it fully into the video, but we can talk about it here, is we completely messed up on our CNC part. I was trying to take the lead.
Fusion first.
So what we were doing is on the CNC, we were going with climb cutting instead of conventional cutting, which is how you normally do every other sort of router. And climb cutting is good for super strong, big CNCs cutting metal.
Yep.
And that's not what we have.
It's not opposite of what we have.
Yeah, so we cut ours and we thought they looked okay, but then we were cutting Johnny's
And it was horrible.
horrible!
So I was
Yeah.
using plywood and it was just tons of tear out and just looked awful. And
Yeah.
we were like, is it the bit? What's going on? And then Evan found that setting and it was like
Night and day.
night and day.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Like check out Johnny's video. Are you
Yeah.
gonna include the before and after maybe?
Yeah, I'll probably show. I have an Instagram story I can like throw in there.
yeah.
Fun,
like,
you know?
yeah.
Just like
Yeah.
show it.
Yeah. It was a crazy difference though.
It was.
Crazy difference.
It was.
So
Yeah.
Johnny helped us fix all of our mistakes and hide all of our sins.
All the tools.
Yeah, all the tools, all of the wood
Hand
putty.
tools.
There's
We
this like,
did. We use digital fabrication, we
Yeah.
use power tools, and we use
And
hand
hand
tools.
tools, yeah.
Yeah.
So
a
no one can
well-rounded
be
project,
mad.
no.
and a whole bunch of filler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a whole bunch of filler.
Yeah.
filler.
But you know, it looks good.
It looks
real
really
nice.
good.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
also like the biggest furniture piece we've ever done.
The most legit furniture piece we've ever done.
legit we've ever done.
Yeah, I mean, this is all mortise and tenon. This is like traditional woodworking, no fasteners required.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, it's
We got it to the point where it fits together so nice that there's no glue, there's no screws. It all just fits in like a puzzle piece,
Yeah.
and it's solid.
Yeah,
like
it
we
really
might
is.
put like 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on
Once
that
we
side.
get it home.
Once
Yeah.
we get it to Houston, but it turned out really solid.
Yeah.
And it's a design that would have been really hard if you didn't have a CNC.
I don't know how you do this.
There's
without-
a lot of like
a lot of weird
funky
angles
angles.
and
Yeah.
half laps at crazy weird angles, and yeah, it's a weird base design, but it looks awesome together. I don't know
Yeah.
how the heck you came up with that, but it looks really cool.
I don't know either.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
yeah.
It looks like a crab almost, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crab table.
You know, like the little pinchers right here.
Yeah.
You know?
Or like a cat. You see the cat?
Oh yeah.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
the cat ears.
Oh my gosh, yeah. cat-
Johnny has 2 cats, and they're so
awesome.
sweet. They're like the best cats.
Kaylin has told me that we like Johnny, cover your ears. That we're just gonna like steal one of the cats and take it back to Houston with us. Oh no, you heard about the plan! Ah!
Maybe both. Maybe both.
Maybe
cats.
both.
Maybe both.
Can't decide if it's better if we leave one so they think like,
Oh, maybe the other one's just around the corner.
Might be
Yeah.
too suspicious if
Yeah.
we take both.
I don't think Sunil would be very big fan anymore.
Okay. We'll just have to come back and visit.
Yes, exactly. Exactly.
I feel like on the flight back, I'm gonna have to like take down all the notes of the things that I learned. There were so many things. What were some of the things?
Epoxy? That epoxy was awesome.
Oh,
West
that epoxy
Yeah.
was sweet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the,
It's
West
like
system?
single pump, like 1 pump of
Yeah.
each, so you don't have to measure it. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this right here,
West
super
system
good.
Epoxy.
And we did the tape, which
Yeah.
worked
Card
wonderful
scrapers?
Yeah.
card scrapers.
Yeah.
We need card scrapers. Yeah.
Basically-
Evan just decided he needed everything.
Yeah.
Every time we use the tool,
Yeah,
I was
he's
like,
like, "Oh, I
we
need
need that.
this."
What company is that? What we? Okay, we
Yeah,
gotta
like
get
this plane right here. This is beautiful, wonderful.
Basically, after we're done with this, Evan's gonna go around and take pictures of everything he wants, and we're just gonna see how much we can cram into our garage.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to like model our garage in Fusion.
Oh yeah, that's the way to do it.
And then like model all of our tools in Fusion.
That's what I did. I did put it in SketchUp.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I laid out all the dust collection and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean,
And now Johnny's gonna use Fusion 360 for everything.
maybe not everything, but you know, definitely I learned a lot. And
Here and there.
It was much better to do it in person. And I've been procrastinating quite a bit. Like, I hadn't even started my design when they got here. I was amazed at how quickly, actually, we were
Yeah.
able to knock up
Yeah.
our furniture design. Like,
Yeah,
that
we
was
did
cool.
the full furniture design, like basically 90% of it in
Yeah,
like
less
an
than
hour and a half,
Yeah.
hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It didn't take long at all.
Mhm.
And most of it was just like, now click that button and do this, and this is how that works. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like,
Yeah, but
if,
like,
if we were
the-
just going through it.
The
it
crazy
was,
thing is we started with nothing.
Yeah, literally
Like,
nothing.
Not even the design
Picture
idea.
on Pinterest that was
Yeah.
vaguely what I
Yeah.
wanted.
And you're
Yeah.
like, probably 3 legs.
Yeah.
That was it.
They might join somewhere in the middle, maybe
Somewhere.
not. Yeah.
When did the wireless charger get added?
Oh man, I don't even know. That was like late in the game. I think we just went to Best Buy to get that adapter, and I'm like, oh, we should add wireless charger. Yeah. So
And it, like, thank goodness works.
it works.
Yeah.
Well, actually.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
You got to put your phone in the right spot, but it definitely works. I
Yeah.
was pretty impressed.
Yeah.
And so
pretty sweet.
wood is not.
Through an 1/8 inch of wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is wild.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Check that out again. I we've plugged you 5 times.
Yeah.
You don't get any more.
Yeah.
We're done. Cut him off. Alrighty. Well.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I was just about to wrap it up. Right as you were. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
right.
I've been talking.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I don't really know what else to say. We've kind of covered everything. But thank you for support. Thank you for watching. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.